In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram Lite application not working. So if Instagram Lite application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data if you want. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the application. Updating the application will fix the bugs. So for that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Instagram Lite and tap on it. Now if you find the option for update over here, tap on it, wait for a while and Instagram Lite application will be updated. Now the bugs will be fixed and your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, the problem might be caused because of the cache. So in that case, clear the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for Instagram Lite and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Instagram Lite. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, manage space, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared. Now the Instagram Lite application should start working. If the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Once you do that, your problem should be solved and Instagram Lite application should start working. So that is how you fix Instagram Lite application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.